Gitchy, gitchy, ya, 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 ya.
Good day, everybody. We was just trying out our new mic. I got a couple mics there to try. I'm leaning in so you can hear me, but didn't realize I had the mic on. But anyway, we're just trying it out there today, and we got something come that I got to replace there now. It's 'cause I was stunned and backed into the snowblower and drove the handle through the taillight. So we got this one on Amazon. So we're going to see if I can change that one there later this evening. Not too bad. I think it was $150. But we'll see now. Jesus, we got a pack for it. Would you look at that? I got it packed up nice and good, all foamed up, styrofoam. Whoa, well, comes with bulbs and everything. Plug and play. Fantastic. So, now this evening now, I'll go out and see if we can install this so we got a new tail light to go on with. Hello everybody. I'm going to change the tail light. Now these two screws there got to come out. They are T15s apparently. Apparently that's all you do, and then you pluck on this. Okay. And another one down up and under, I'm guessing. So we'll pop them off and see what's on the go. Ah ha ha. That little red tab gotta be hauled back. And then you can press that one. Now, where's the bottom one? Oh, I'm gonna need some cardboard or something. I gotta get up and under. Oh, Morgan got a new bike. So I got a nice big box there to lie on. I think it's this one here. Come on, you bugger. Why won't you come the f off? Okay. So, come on, you fucking guy. What in the f? Do I have to push on that too? Oh, I think he's coming. Mother f. We did it! Whew. Oh, Christ almighty. Now, we got the... Oh, I can't see a goddamn thing. Yeah, I looked on the YouTube to figure out how to do this, and I said, 2 screws, that's it. They didn't tell you had to crawl up and under the thing. Oh, Christ. dust. Okay, these clips are pretty good. That one there too. There we go. Now, we got to wiggle this back through. What the f am I in? Jesus! She'll lift the tuck tape out of her. Oh. Yeah, you just wiggle that up through there. Oh my lord, like, come on by. Oh. Jesus. Oh. Oh, it's got you rotten, boys. That's it, nothing to it. Pardon my... You can't be a mechanic without having to swear. I'm not a mechanic. That's the little clips holds her in place. I know my goddamn luck now is when I gets it in, it's not going to work anyway. Oh, they got new clips. Anyway, here's the new Taillight. Ooh, and that's shiny. It comes with all the clips that I beat up. Now we gotta feed this guy back down through again. Fantastic. You got to go. There's a clip there. Okay, I see it now. He goes up through here. Oh, for sake. Oh, you stay there. Okay, so what I'll wiggle that one in through there. Now we'll go put the rest on first. Nothing to it, they said. So that can go on down through there. This one plugs into that little spot there, and the rest goes in through there. Pretty sure it's this way. The fuck is that? I just want to have them like that for now. See if I can get the bottom done. Again, let's crawl up and under again. Alright. Now we got loads of room here. So I'm going to take this clip out. Maybe. Yep. Put this new one back in there. Maybe. Yeah. Okay. So this goes in here. that one there up there to lock it. Click that up there again. All right, now we're flying. Now I did have another clip for there somewhere. Oh, you can see it hanging. Put the wire through. All right. Would you look at that? Now, we'll test see if the lights are working. 10 minutes, he said, 5 minutes. A minute now, half an hour. Start this thing up, I suppose. Yes, boy, would you look at that? Great fun. See if I can get it back in. So, in here there's wait now. Oh, what do I got done? Okay. There's a couple little rubber grommets right here, and these little titters drives in through them. And these little things got a line up here, so let's see if we can get them in. There's the wires anyway. All right. Oh, baby. I think we got her. Well, there you have it. Simple installation of a taillight. Well, yeah, nothing to it. Well, that's how you does it. And if you need to learn any more mechanic tips, just let me know. After I looked at the taillight, I discovered that I didn't even have to crawl up and under it. All I had to do was take out the light bulbs and that little connector there and just switch them all out and leave the old harness in there. What a dummy.